Well, here I am making a video that I hate to make. This is my '03 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Here's all the, well, not all, but the major front suspension components. Got a track bar right here, which I already replaced the bushings in, but never seemed to quite take care of my problem. And there's a front end that I thought I was going to be replacing all of the front end parts on. But, you excuse the camera roaming. I'm going to get up underneath here and take a look. And you will see that, well, there's one there. That's not showing signs of wear. There's one there. That's not showing signs of wear. That bushing clear back there is just starting to show a little bit of cracking. Tiniest bit. Come up here. There's no signs of wear. Go up here at the top. If I can't tell if the camera's shining on that or not, but the light is. And there's no signs of wear on that either. So, and there's the track bar that I replaced the bushings in, which has got a little bit of oil still on it. I think this might be from the oil filter. Nope, power steering pump's leaking up there. Tiny, tiny bit. You can see overall this thing is clean and dry underneath. But I've got a popping noise coming out of the front end. Sorry about all this. And it wasn't until I pulled the wheel off, and all this basically revolves around diagnose the problem. I've spent over $100, and when I say over 100, it's way over 100 on parts just to find out that my popping noise is that. And I can show you better from the top. Can you see where that bushing's just been rocking back and forth? Right there, can you see my finger pointing at it? You can see on that far side there, that thing has been moving back and forth, back and forth. Every time you step on the gas or let off the brake, it moves back and forth. That's the funny little popping noise I've been getting. I figured I'd had a bushing out in the front suspension. Had a friend come over. We both checked it out. We couldn't see exactly where it was coming from, but we could hear it. And we were both sure it was coming out of the front suspension. So I ordered up all the parts. And once I got the wheel off, and I saw that, I'm like, oh crap, that's my noise. So I will tighten that up, and we'll see if the noise goes away. But I broke my golden rule of diagnose and make sure exactly what is wrong before you go off and tear stuff apart. Don't just throw parts at what you're fixing. Fortunately, the parts I bought I can return, but it's a hassle, and it's a little embarrassing. To be honest, I hate admitting that I screwed up. And no, I'm not perfect. I don't think I'm perfect. But I think I'm good enough not to make stupid mistakes like this. But I just did. So, my word is, check out everything. If I had just popped the hood and looked down there, I would have seen that moving, and it would have eliminated a whole bunch of crap. And my Jeep would not be, let me get around here to the side, would not be sitting here up in the air like that. But prior to doing that, hey, I insulated the roof in here. And let me tell you, that ain't no fun. And I did not make a video of it because, well, it was embarrassing. See that beam right there? The top of my head is black and blue in spots from me walking up underneath there with standing in the back of my pickup and standing up and hitting my head on that thing. So, that's it. That's me telling you, be sure of what your problem is before you go tearing everything all to pieces. Like, share, subscribe, like this and all that. Tell a friend, tell 12, don't tell anybody. I'm in this for the fun of it. And everything I'm doing is just advice. So y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.